In today's video, I'm going to teach you Microsoft Access how to use Make Table Query. By the end, you'll know how to turn the results of a select query into a brand new table you can reuse, archive, or share. Start by opening Microsoft Access and making sure you're in the database where you want the new table to live. If Access prompts you to enable content, go ahead and do that so queries can run. It's also a good habit to have a recent backup because Make Table actions can overwrite tables if you reuse names. Head to the Create tab on the ribbon and choose Query Design. This opens the designer where you can build the select query that defines exactly which records you want in your new table. Add the relevant tables or existing queries to the upper pane if prompted, then select the fields you need in the grid below. Keep it focused, include only the columns you actually want to copy, and add joins, criteria, or sorting as needed to narrow the results. Before converting anything, click Run to preview the results in Datasheet view. This step is crucial. Scan a few rows to confirm the data looks right, check for unexpected duplicates, and note the approximate row count. If something's off, return to Design View and fix fields, criteria, or joins until the results match your requirements. Switch back to Design View. On the Query Design tab, in the Query Type group, click Make Table. This changes your select query into an action query that will create a new table based on those same results. You'll see the Make Table dialog box. In the table name box, enter a clear descriptive name, such as including a date or purpose. Be aware that if a table with that name already exists in the destination, Access will ask to replace it, which deletes the old data, so pick names carefully. Next, choose where to create the table. Select Current Database to build it right here, or choose another database if you need the table in a different Access file. If you choose another database, specify the path to that .accdb file so Access knows where to place it. Click OK to confirm the settings. Now click Run again. Because this is an action query, Access will warn you that it's about to copy a number of rows into a new table. Review the message, then click Yes to proceed and create the table. That's it. Your new table now appears in the navigation pane, ready for reporting, indexing, or exporting without rerunning the original query each time. This approach is ideal for creating point-in-time snapshots, staging data for performance, or handing off a stable dataset to others.